Well, I just clipped it off there. I got a badge and I got an ID from Supporting Law Enforcement Foundation. That's my 4 picture.
You're a nice guy, dude. Make sure you wear your seatbelt. Stay off the phone, okay?
Sir, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Drive safe and stay off that. Seatbelt's gonna save your life. Cell phone.
Dude, I'm putting it on now, and you just killed me on the cell phone. I'm gonna buy a headset today.
All right, sounds good.
Sir, I really appreciate that.
Drive safe. Bye-bye.
Yes, sir. This guy just cut me a break like you wouldn't believe. What's he got here? Ooh, they nailed someone else. That's why he cut me a break. Oh my lord. I just got, this is awesome. Look at this. I don't know what happened there, but he just told me I look like a nice guy and he let me go. My lord, that man just had me for talking on the cell phone and no seatbelt. I don't know how much of a violation that was. We're talking hundreds of dollars. We're talking $600-800 bucks. Easy. And I haven't got any tickets in forever. I mean, I try to be good. Get me for filming as I'm leaving. Woo! The gentleman let me go, and you can guarantee this. Whether or not I got a ticket, I will be wearing my seatbelt a little bit more often, and I definitely will be watching about talking on the cell phone. He definitely taught me a lesson. When I seen them lights in my rear view mirror, oh man, and I called my dad a little while ago and I wanted to tell him something, and I forgot what I was gonna tell him. Immediately remembered I needed to talk to the people at the office. Oh man, I called Trent up on the phone with Trent. Boo! I see them lights, oh Lord. Well, one owner car guy, and that is just a video of me at the end of that ticket. I wish I'd had it for the beginning. The guy actually said, man, do you know why I pulled you over? And I just kind of made a motion of, yeah. He goes, well, 2 things, your seatbelt and you're talking on the cell phone. And, you know, a little bit later, he says, well, I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you one of them. I'm going to give you a break. And I said, can I pick which one? He says, yes, you can. I said, seatbelt. I don't know, I guess seatbelt, because I think seatbelt's cheaper. He came back up to warn me that if you got a seatbelt ticket in the last year in California, the second one goes on your record. Don't like that. But that is the deal. Just got pulled over, and the actual fact of the matter is there is another one back there chugging on along. So it is Popo Day, man. OneOwnerCarGuy.com, StockGambles.com. On there you can get a free $10 off coupon for SodaStream machine and free shipping. Now I just left my other office. I was probably 3 minutes away when I got pulled over, right at the on-ramp there. And none of this stuff is very far from each other in between my places. I think my farthest place is like 6 miles. And might as well just keep on filming to the lot here, is what I was thinking. But I'm glad I caught just a teeny bit of that. That's just a real life interaction type thing that I thought was kind of cool, and I'd like to have the whole thing on tape, because make you remember things when you put them online and you see them strolling through your videos. I mean, I should wear my seatbelt more, and I shouldn't talk on the phone. Why shouldn't I talk on the phone? Because it's illegal. I can control my car just fine. I never had a problem because of talking on the phone besides getting pulled over. But I see people going down the road talking on the phone, paying no attention. None. And I can see how it would be detrimental to one's health. Not everybody can do 3-4 things at once. And that definitely could play a role. So, also, Partner.com, I'm going to throw a bunch of health stuff on there. And as you can tell, my mouth is getting awfully dry here. I was at the gym. Well, that steam dry you right out. The sauna and steam. Well, there goes the swap meet right there. I love these hills around Lakeside. You just get back here and it's a totally different type of a landscape. or whatever you want to say. You get all those, oh, this guy's, oh man, I couldn't get it. Sorry. He's always got Chargers and Challengers and Mustangs. Just did a walk around. Walk around was kind of cool. And you know, I don't know how to edit all this stuff out. I do know how to edit it out. But I could sit there taking hours to figure out, hey, okay, do I edit this out or do I edit that out? This is like cop ticket with a test drive, I guess. And what's it a test drive of? An E320 with the 3.2. We won't show you the speedometer, we'll just show you this. Woo, buddy! Yeah, that was up to 62, let's say, huh? He pulled over at the front of the video and the end of the video. Now that would make a YouTube classic. But we are not looking to get pulled over for sure. This guy's riding me and everybody's passing here. There goes another one. They're everywhere. Be careful. I'm gonna call my office and tell them to watch out. I don't have a headset. What are you looking at me like that, lady? Well, one owner car guy, and this is the exit for my storage lot in Lakeside. And you'll see my Valvoline trailers. If there was an on-ramp, it would be where I am, but there's no on-ramp. I'm right there. About 40 cars in there or so. You can see them. I did a walk around to that right before my 1000th video. It always intrigues me how somebody will get behind somebody. Just like that. They just change from this lane to that lane. Amazing. Well, I'm on my way to my mom's to take pictures, and I'm wanting to know, hey, forgotten 214, Big L and Nick. Why does my Mercedes-Benz throttle like this? Whoa, throttle positioning sensor? Put it in neutral. Just a teeny bit, and then it stops. Put it in drive. It actually goes away as long as you just didn't stop. If you just stopped, here, watch this. Oh, man. I mean, that's up to 40, seriously 40, like right now. Well, one owner car guy. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. I'm heading up the hill. Gonna take some pictures of a Ford F-350. Check my channel. Lots of cool walkarounds on here. And a lot of cars coming up. I've got a lot of stuff sitting there waiting to upload, I guess you'd say, and get pictured. It's been a rainy season, and it's hard to picture in the rain. The minute I get them cleaned up, rain's on it. We'll talk to you. OneOwnerCarGuy.com.